Hi, this is the NUBIA Neo 5G and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So just to do that, we should find the power key button and just press and hold it for a few seconds. Here we could see that now Google Assistant, you could use the Google Assistant by press and hold the power key button. But if you don't want to do that, you could manage this option in settings just by click here to the switcher to turn it off. And now we could use the power button only to turn off our phone. So just let's press and hold it. Here we could see now the power off icon. Twice click to this power off icon, and after that we could see that the screen is dark, so this means that our device is turned off. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.